Hello students, this is Nirmala from Vivekananda Academy of Human Excellence. Today we are going to see class 9th English Behave lesson The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. First of all, we'll see the introduction of the lesson The Little Girl. The title of the story refers to the main character that we will come across, the little girl named Kezia. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer Catherine Mansfield wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. Although when children are small, when they are young, they do not feel that their parents love them because their parents are strict and many actions of the parents seems unjustified. So when small children are there, their parents remain strict because they want to teach them good manners, they want to teach them study, they want to teach them good things, and they want to restrict the children from bad things, bad habits or bad behavior, and that's why they remain strict. And so children think that their parents don't love them, or their parents always scold on them, their parents always tell them different rules, do this, don't do this, like that always they are saying, and that's why children think that our parents are not good or they don't love us, but it is not true. But as children grow up, they realize that all the acts done by their parents were beneficial for them. As we also know that all the parents, whatever they do for their children, that is for their good, or that is for their welfare only. So when we grown up, we come to know that whatever our parents have taught us, what they told us, what they scold us many of the times, that was for our sake only. Because of that, we got only benefits. The parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for the children. And this bond of love between parents and their children has been highlighted through this story, The Little Girl. The little girl, in this story, there was a little girl named Kezia. She lives with her father, her mother and her grandmother. In her family, grandmother, father, mother and Kezia, these four members were living. And she was afraid of his father and tries to avoid him all the time. So when she was meeting her father, he remains very strict. Many of the times he scolds her. That's why she thought that my father is so strict, and she avoids him all the time. Moreover, she feels comforted on seeing his father leaving for office. When he goes to office, then for whole day he will not come here. That's why she feels very comfortable, or she feels relaxed when he goes in the office. She was so afraid of her father that she mumbles in front of him, as he appeared to her as rude, critical and harsh. Always whenever they both come in front of each other, she mumbles or she frightens of him, whether he doesn't say anything, but then also she was afraid of him, that he is so rude, he is so critical, I can't understand him, he doesn't love me, he is so harsh, he speaks very harsh to me, like that she always thinks and afraids. Further, her grandmother sought her to understand her parents better. That's why she would encourage her to go to the drawing room to chat with her parents. Now her grandmother was there, and Kezia was always remain with her grandmother. Grandmother was telling her stories, or she only has told her, and she encouraged Kezia that go and talk with your parents. They are also good. They love you very much, and so she became ready to go to talk with her parents. Then again she finds them cold towards her. When she went to meet to her parents, they were sitting in a living room, and her father was sleeping on couch, and her mother was reading something. So they have not noticed even her that Kezia has come, and they have not talked with her. So she felt very sad that time. So one fine day her grandmother suggested Kezia prepare a pin cushion for her father's birthday. Now her father's birthday has to come, so her grandmother suggests her that make a pin cushion for her father, so he will feel very good when when Kezia will give that present to father. Consequently, Kezia stitches the three sides of the pin cushion casing. So she make a cushion case from three sides. She stitched it with her hands, and now she was worried that what to stuff in that. But after that she needs to stuff the cushion with something. Something should be there, cotton, pieces of clothes, something should be there to stuff, so I can make the cushion. That's why she goes to her mother's room, 6 number, the bed table. There she finds many sheets of fine paper. When she went to her mother's room, she saw there many of the sheets of paper were there on the table, and she thought that those papers are for me only. Then she torn the paper into small pieces and filled the pin cushion and sew up the fourth side. Already she stitched 3 sides of the cushion case. Now she stiffed all the small pieces of that papers, and now she sewed that fourth side also, and now her cushion was ready to gift her father. However, she doesn't that those papers contain her father's very important speech for the Port Authority. Now she has not imagined also that these papers may be very important for her father, which she has torn already. Although she accepted her mistake and tries to explain the reason why she does it. Now she went to explain why she has done that, and she has accepted also that yes, she has torn those papers, but for what purpose, that also she wanted to say. But her father was too angry to listen to her reason and punished her with a ruler on her palm. So without listening her reason, her father gave her punishment. However, she failed to understand why she made out to punishment even after she accepted her mistake. She thought that if I will accept the mistake, my father will not beat me, or I will not get punishment, but it doesn't happen. She got the punishment whether she accepted her mistake. Terribly she said, what did God make father for? Now she was so terrified, or she was so sad that her father gave her punishment. That's why she asked herself that why this father has made by God. Most importantly, one evening she saw Mr. McDonald's playing with her 5 children, laughing and enjoying with them. So Mr. McDonald's was the neighbor for Kezia, and he always plays with his 5 children, enjoying and laughing in their ground outside the house. This event influenced Kezia that all fathers are not similar. So, with this incident, when McDonald's was playing with his children, she convinced herself that all fathers are not similar. So, as McDonald's, my father doesn't play with me, he doesn't laugh with me, he doesn't enjoy anything with me. She concluded that some father is caring and loving like Mr. McDonald, and some are harsh like her father. So she compares her father with McDonald, how he is so loving and caring, and her father was how harsh. However, her attitude towards her father changed. How it has changed? Someday her mother needs to be hospitalized and her grandmother goes with her. So her mother and grandmother both went to the hospital for some reason, and her mother was admitted there in the hospital. That's why grandmother also was with her. So Kezia was alone in the house with the cook. Only cook and Kezia both were there at house, and her father was in the office. The day went fine, but the night was a different issue because she did not have the habit to sleep alone in her bedroom. Always she was there with her grandmother. In the middle of the night, she woke up of fear, screaming and weeping as she had a terrible nightmare. Then she saw a nightmare when she slept, and then she afraid of that, and she was weeping and crying terribly. When Kezia opened her eyes, she saw her father right next to her. When her father heard the voice, he came to her room and she saw that her father was there with her. Her father carried her to his bedroom and made her comfortable and warm on his bed. So he understood that she was afraid, grandmother was not there with her. That's why he takes her in his bedroom and made her comfortable. He spoke with her very lightly, and he made her to sleep in his bed. Further, her father told her to rub her feet with his legs and set them warm. So, her father again was rubbing her feet and legs and make her warm, that her afraidness will go away. She spends the night with him feeling comfortable and safe. First time she spent the night with her father, but she felt very much comfortable like with grandmother and safe also. After that, she realized that her father was not a bad person. When she spent that night with her father, she understood that he is also a good person. He was never bad, and he is not bad person. And he loves and cares for her in his own way. Maybe he is not as free as McDonald's, but yes, definitely he loves Kezia very much. His way to love is different. Moreover, he had to work a whole day to provide for his family and was too weary by evening to play with her. Because he goes to office every day, he works for a whole day to provide all the things to his family, and that's why he becomes tired when he reach at house, and that's why he remains a little bit uncomfortable when he reach at house. At the conclusion of the little girl, we'll see through the little girl, the writer wanted to portray the bond of love and care between the parents and their children. Yes, always it is there, this bonding. Maybe some parents show this bonding they always express their love towards children, but many of the times parents doesn't show their love, doesn't express their love towards their children, and children think that their parents don't love them. In this way, we have seen the story of a little girl